Hi guys, what's going on? In this video we're going to try out and see if we can revive this mobile phone. The reason I'm trying to revive it is because it won't properly turn on. The battery's knackered. It's broken basically. When I turn it on it'll just crash. And I want to see if putting it in the microwave do anything. It'll play through some of the music, but yeah, it crashes and it just didn't turn on. There you go, it's crashed. So I want to see putting it in the microwave would actually revive it and do something. Or could it have a devastating effect and do something bad? So here we go, we're going to put it in the microwave now. Just for 1 second. Just going to let you put it in, take it back out. Right. Put it in for 1 second. This can affect the phone because radio is transferred to electrical things. So let's try and turn it on and see if it does anything. Let's see if it actually turns it on fully, or if it doesn't do anything. It's turning on, but it'll crash. There you go, it crashed again. So that didn't actually do anything. Let's put it in a little longer. As you can see, it is in the microwave. And here we go. Boom. As you've seen there, it turned off. Turned itself off. Now, is this actually going to turn on? This is the thing we need to find out. Okay. Holding the button. Oh, it's still turning on. But is it going to play through, or is it going to crash and not turn on fully? As you see again, it is crashed. We're going to try one more time. It's inside the microwave. Here we go. There you go. It's turned off. Let's take it out. I love roasting this bad boy. Right, so let's see. Right, let's see if this phone is actually going to turn on now. So I'll press the power button. It looks like the phone is not turning on. Oh. Yeah, I don't think the phone's turning on. And let's try and take the battery out. Okay. Take the battery out. Okay, the battery's out the phone. Normal battery. Everything looks fine with the phone, it's a bit crap. But I'm going to plug it back in and see if that makes a difference. So, push it in. Let's turn it. Okay, back on. Let's test if it'll turn on now. Soft hands. As you see, I am pressing it. Nope. I think the phone is officially 100% broken. Microwaves do not charge all phones, like apparently. So, some things I see on YouTube apparently charge phones. I think that's a little bull, but yeah, it's not turning on. I think it's broken. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and I'll do more technology videos, putting stuff in microwaves, doing drop tests. So if you enjoyed this video, then leave the thumbs up anyway, like I said, and you can comment what you want us to do in my next one. Peace. And one other thing, I've got to give away for 100 subscribers. So good luck.